Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set a GIF as your display picture or your avatar on Discord. Now once you're inside the Discord guys, you want to go ahead and click the user settings here in the lower left hand side, and from here ensure that you're under my account. Then go ahead and click the edit button beside the display name, and from here you will have a section for avatar. Go ahead and remove the current picture that you have, then click and change avatar, and here you have a section for GIF. Click and choose GIF, and from here you can choose between whichever category. Let's go ahead and choose something in the trending category. And yeah, let's look at this one. I can choose, for example, this. Go ahead and choose Cole Palmer here. And as you can see, it is there. Then go ahead and click and apply. And as you can see, it would set. Now, keep in mind that you want to go ahead and upgrade. As you say, you can go ahead and try the free trial here. So you'll need to go ahead and get the free trial. But once you go ahead and do that, guys, that's all there is to it. You'll be able to change it. You'll have the ability to use GIFs as your display image or your profile picture on Discord. So again, you just need to go into this user settings, ensure that you're under the user account or profile, whichever section you choose, change avatar and choose a GIF. And once you select the GIF, you can go ahead and basically, choose whichever option you want. Just choose whichever option you want and you can set that. But to apply, you need to ensure that you have the Get Nitro and you'll be able to change it. Once you have that, guys, that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.